Hi guys, AR Malik here. Today we will learn how to upload up to 5 minutes video on WhatsApp status. It's very simple. First of all, go to Play Store, search here GB WhatsApp. You have to install GB WhatsApp Pro from here. You can download simple GB WhatsApp from here. I have downloaded this one. Now click on this install button. Now create your account on WhatsApp. Now click on these three lines. Click on this first option GB settings. Now click on home screen option. Now click on this status button. Now you have to scroll down, go to bottom. There is option of 5 minute status, allow you to put a 5-minute video. Turn it on. Now go to camera and upload a more than 30-second video. I select a video. Here you can see I select video whose length is more than 1 minute. The video is uploading. Let's see what happens. The video is still sending. I checked that this is how you can upload more than 30-second videos on your WhatsApp status. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching full video.